Monday morning, 6:42. Welcome back. Trying to fix something on your vehicle can be a daunting task for just about anyone, but one local woman is empowering other women to inspire them to not only learn what's under the hood of their cars, but fix it themselves.
Female mechanic Faye Hadley is the focus of our latest Year of the Woman story. But as she tells our Erica Hernandez, her mission is all about making sure women know they are just as capable of doing an automotive job themselves without any help.
So let's pop the hood and let's get these changed out.
Faye Hadley is fierce, passionate, and all about cars.
I'm also seeing right off the bat, we got an oil leak we got to fix here, miss. It was sort of a long route back to finding what I really wanted to do. Perfect.
And for the past year, her business, Pistons PixieDust, has grown in popularity. She is a mobile mechanic that travels to her customers to repair or teach them how to fix their vehicle.
Where on earth is it starting from? The biggest thing I hear from them is, I give them confidence to try fixing things themselves, or I give them the confidence knowing that I wasn't lying to them. I was being honest to them about the repair.
One of those customers is single mother Erica Gardenas.
Thanks to Faye, I can change my tire, I've flushed my radiator, I changed my thermostat, my fuel filter, 3 radiator hoses, and that was all by myself without her.
That's why I actually really like teaching women. That's perfect. It's because really good listeners.
Erica is now able to pass on her knowledge to her own son about the basics of fixing a car.
She gives me the confidence to work on this fun car that we all wanted when we were younger, and now I can work on it. I can teach my son how to work on it and take pride in it.
Now Faye is teaching her skills to Girl Scouts and teenagers in high school, all in hopes that more women pick up the trade.
There's a lot of pride, I feel, in working in the trades and working with my hands, and I want to sort of pass that on.
Now Faye has a huge all-day workshop this Sunday called Women and Machine. There will be beginner automotive classes as well as a meet and greet for women to network and a Q&A panel with women from the automotive industry. There's a link on our website to register for this event. Mark and Leslie.